Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a new video and this is not a vlog but a video where I am decorating and reviving my old spiral notebook because I want to explore the bujo or bullet journal area too because I love calligraphy and I do not like when a notebook is full of pages and I am not using it for years. Here I am just using the old method of covering up the books and notebooks using some adhesive and white paper to cover up the old wrecked cover pages. I got this notebook when I was in class 9 and now I am in college first year. So it's basically not being used for like 5 years now and the cover pages are really not in good shape as you can see. I used to be so sad every time I look at that notebook that I am not using it, and I quite liked that pages and materials, all of that, and it was given from a prestigious institute where I have been for like some school projects and school excursions, and like Jagadish Chandra Bose Institute. It is a quite prestigious institute, and I was a little sad when I was covering up the thing over that and I was saying bye bye, and I am now speeding up the process because I am doing just the cover up. This is why I love making vlog contents and these types of videos, because even though it is now covered up all decorated finely, but I can still have this thing ongoing in this vlog that even if after like some years I forget the name of the institute, I can still watch this video and get the glimpse of the past. Yay! It's all done now. I mean, the cover up part is all done and I am really happy to make it look a little healthier. These are some extra pages that I decided to split up. In between, I got really hungry and I had this bhog. How to say it in English? Offered food for God? Yeah. For the next part, I actually jumped to a next day and already decorated and sketched the thing I wanted to draw on it, and these are the things. I don't know how to explain it because I just randomly thought of some things and drew it on. I'm sure you guys have heard of energy booster drinks, but Maza or mango drink is my creativity booster right now. Here comes the hair part. I actually learned this type of hair drawing or coloring or sketching, however it goes, recently, and I was nervous because it is one of my dream notebook I am going to have, because it is the first bujo notebook. So I was really nervous, but it turned out really good. And now I am sketching the back cover page and it is just going to be pen sketch. This is done and ta-da! This took me 3.5 days for actually completed completely. That was a mouthful, but yeah, I am really happy to see how it turned out. I wanted to have this type of notebook where I just scramble anything on that cover page for a really long time now. And now I'm going to decorate the first page where I am going to have a mood tracker, probably for a year, but I don't know how my mood is going to work, and I think I can change it however it goes. And I will have another tracker, that is habit tracker. I don't know if I can track my habits for like a 30 days or 2 months in a row, because I am not really consistent to my works. But that is why habit tracker exists, and I want to try bullet journal to discipline myself and have that willpower to be consistent for like 2 months. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I started my daily journaling or diary writing, normal diary writing, when I was in class 7 back then, and I was obviously not consistent like as usual. So I wrote the daily journal for like a week or two and then shunned it properly. And then after 6 or 7 months, I again took that diary and wrote down everything was in my mind. And from then, I used to actually write on the sad days or the heavy days I was having. And then after like 2 or 3 years, my daily journaling actually started going very smoothly. So it took literally 3 years to make the habit of daily journaling, and that is now really, really helping me. This is the best friend of mine in this area, calligraphy and journaling area. Journaling actually helped me a lot to grow as a teenager or as a human, and come out of my depressive stages, mental stress. So I would really recommend you to have a journal or a bullet journal or anything to just scramble on a particular notebook, to just scramble on anything you having in your mind. But this is the end, so like and subscribe if you have enjoyed the video, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.